Now we will discuss on how to solve differential equations. Those are reducible to homogeneous form. Let's take those kind of equation. dy dx equals to something times x, something y and some constant over something x, something y and some constant. Here of course ratio of a and a dash not equal to b and b dash. This condition is very necessary for solving this differential equation. To convert this differential equation into homogeneous form, we will take x as capital X plus h, okay, and y as capital Y plus k, okay. Since x equals to capital X plus h, so dx should be d capital X and dy should be d capital Y, okay. Here h and k will be chosen, of course will be chosen so that the equation will be in homogeneous form, okay, will be in homogeneous form. We will call this equation as star equation, and now we will put this information into this star equation. So we get from star equation we get dy, because dy equals to d capital Y, so dy by dx equals to a. In place of x we will write capital X plus h. In place of y we will write capital Y plus k plus c by a dash x plus h, y dash b dash y plus k plus c dash, okay. Now simplifying these we get dy dx equals to ax plus by plus h plus bk plus c, okay, and a dash x b dash y plus a dash h b dash k plus c dash, okay. In order to make this equation homogeneous, we have to remove these terms. Why? Because in homogeneous equation every term's degree is same. Here ax term degree is 1, by term this term's degree is 1, but this term's degree is 0. This term's degree is 1. Degree of this term is also 1, but this term's degree is 0. So these two terms should be removed. So we can write h plus bk plus c equals to 0, a dash h plus b dash k plus c dash equals to 0. Solving these two equations, we get h over bc dash minus b dash c equals to k by a dash c minus ac dash equals to 1 by AB dash minus A dash B. Okay. Now we get H equals to BC dash minus B dash C by AB dash minus A dash B, and K equals to A dash C minus AC dash by AB dash minus A dash B. Okay. Now take this condition. If this condition is true, then this denominator will not be 0. So H and K will exist. But if A by A dash equals to B by B dash, then AB dash minus A dash B, AB dash minus A dash B should be 0. This part will also be 0. Then H and K will not exist. So for existing or existence of H and K, of course this condition is necessary. Okay. Now H and K will be chosen in this way, so this term will be 0 and this equation will be homogeneous. So the equation we get is dy dx equals to ax plus by a dash x plus b dash y. Now this equation is very much homogeneous, and we can write this equation as a plus b y by x and a dash plus b dash y by x. Okay. Now we get dy dx as fully function of y by x. Okay. Now we can solve it. By taking y by x equals to v and y equals to vx. Now this process is already known to all of us because we solved differential equations. Those are homogeneous differential equations. So we will take y by x equals to v and y equals to vx. We will put this information into this equation and we will solve and we will get a solution, and we will get a solution and we will replace in that equation capital X as x minus h and capital Y as y minus k. Okay. When we solve it by this technique, when we solve this differential equation by this technique, a solution will be arised, and we will replace x and y as small x minus h, small y minus k in that equation. Okay. To clear this full idea, we will take an example. Now let's go to the example. Now we will go to the example. The example says dy dx equals to x plus twice y minus 3 by twice x plus y minus 3. We will take x as capital X plus h and y as capital Y plus k. So d small x equals to d capital X and d small y equals to d capital Y. Okay. Now putting this information into this star equation, we get dy dx equals to x plus h 2 y plus k minus 3 over 2x plus h plus y plus k minus 3. Now we get x plus twice y plus h plus twice k minus 3 over twice x plus y plus twice h plus k minus 3. Okay? Okay. Now this equation becomes, this equation will become homogeneous if this part and this part will be removed. If this part is 0 and this part is 0, then this equation will become homogeneous. So h plus twice k minus 3 should be 0 and twice h plus k minus 3 should be 0. Solving these two equations, we get h over minus 6 plus 3 equals to k over minus 6 plus 3 equals to 1 by 1 minus 4. Okay? Now h is minus 3 by minus 3. So h is 1 and k is minus 3 by minus 3. This is minus 3 by minus 3. So k is 1. So we get k and h as 1. Now we'll remove this because we need more space. So just we will write h is 1. By solving h is 1 and k is 1. Okay? Now we will take this equation. This equation we will call double star equation. So that this double star equation becomes dy dx equals to x plus twice y over twice x plus y. Now this equation is homogeneous. So we will put, or we will express this equation as y by x, function of y by x, in fact 2y by x over 2 plus y by x. Now we will solve this homogeneous differential equation. Let's take y by x as v. So y equals to vx. So dy dx equals to v plus x dv dx. Okay? Now putting this information into this differential equation, we get dy dx as v plus x dv dx equals to 1 plus 2v over 2 plus v. So x dv dx should be 1 plus 2v, 2 plus v minus v. Now we will remove this portion, but before removing we will note h as 1, k is also 1, and small x equals to capital X plus h means 1, small y equals to capital Y plus k means 1. Okay, now we can remove this portion. Now we get x dv dx equals to 2 plus v, 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus v square. This 2v is removed. So we get x dv dx equals to 1 minus v square over 2 plus v. So 2 plus v by 1 minus v square dv equals to dx by x. We will integrate both the side. Now we can remove this portion also. Okay. Now we will decompose this fraction into partial fractions. So 2 plus v, 1 minus v, 1 plus v with respect to v equals to integration dx by x. Okay. Now these fraction we will decompose into partial fractions by thumb rule method. So 1 minus v factor and another factor is 1 plus v. Here if v is 1, then this factor is 0, and we will put the value of v as 1 into the neighboring factors. So 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Okay. Here in this factor, if we take the value of v as minus 1, we will get 1 plus v as 0. So we put v as minus 1 into the neighboring factors. So 2 v as minus 1, 1 minus v as minus 1. Okay. This is okay. Now we get 3 by 2, 1 by 1 minus v plus 2 minus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus v. Okay. Now we will remove this portion. We will get 3 by 2 integration of 1 by 1 minus v will be ln 1 minus v, but here the coefficient of v is minus 1, so we will write 1 by minus 1. Okay. 1 by minus 1 plus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by 1 plus v is ln 1 plus v. Okay. Equals to now this integration dx by x is ln x plus some constant. Okay. Now multiplying both the side with 2, we get minus 3 ln 1 minus v plus ln 1 plus v equals to 2 ln x plus 2c. 2c should be a newer constant. Taking power, we write ln 1 plus v. Taking 3 as power, we write 1 minus v whole cube. Taking power 2 ln x square plus constant. Now we can write ln 1 plus v by 1 minus v whole cube minus ln x square equals to constant. Okay. Now we can write ln 1 plus v over 1 minus v whole cube into 1 by x square. 1 by x square. Okay. Equals to constant. ln means log e base. So 1 plus v, 1 minus v whole cube, x square equals to constant. So 1 plus v, 1 minus v whole cube, x square equals to e to the power constant. E to the power constant should be a newer constant and we will call it c. Okay. Now we are getting 1 plus v equals to c x square 1 minus v whole cube. Okay. Okay. Now we will replace v as y by x because we took y by x as v. Remember that. Okay. So now we will replace v as y by x. Okay. Now we get x plus y by x minus y whole cube by x cube. Okay. These x cube and this x square is vanished because x square and x cube will be removed by x, and these remainder x and these x will be vanished. So we get x plus y equals to c x minus y whole cube. And now we will replace capital X. Capital X is small x minus 1. Capital X is small x minus 1. Capital Y is small y minus 1. So replace this. So x minus 1 plus y minus 1 equals to c x minus 1 minus y minus 1. Okay? Whole cube. Okay. Now we get x plus y minus 2 c x minus 1 minus y plus 1 whole cube. So x plus y minus 2 equals to, this 1 is removed, c x minus y whole cube. So this is the solution of this differential equation.